What's up with you?
Okay, okay. So listen, I want to start a social media marketing agency, and I want to use AI 100% to fulfill the orders or the request of my customers to create the assets, etc. How can I do this?
You'd pick an AI platform like Canva's Magic Studio.
I don't want to go between multiple softwares and stuff like that or tools. Um, I know there's something called Blaze, Blaze. Um, why did I just spell that for you? So there's companies like Blaze that are out there. I know there's many others like that where it's all in one, and you could create, I guess, like a sub account.
Still here, no hallucinations. Yeah, Blaze.ai is solid for exactly that. It's an all in one AI that generates posts, captions, images, carousels, even short videos, then schedules and posts automatically to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever. They have client sub accounts and brand voices, so each client feels custom. And it's built for agencies to white labelish and fulfill without jumping tools. If you want super close alternatives that are truly all in one with heavy AI creation plus posting, Cretus.ai, probably the closest right now. Input a topic or link. AI makes full posts, videos, carousels with captions, hashtags, analyzes competitors, predicts performance.
So let me ask you this: what is the best way for me to find clients, paid and free traffic? What can I do?
And DM small brands with, hey, I can boost your posts with AI. Want to chat? Use Reddit's r slash small business or r slash entrepreneur for advice threads where you subtly offer help. TikTok's gold. Make quick before after agency reels showing AI post mockups. Tag hashtags like hashtag social media agency. For paid, start with Facebook ads targeting local businesses. Set a $50 daily budget on lookalike audiences of marketing managers. Google ads on keywords like social media agency near me works too, but keep bids low, say $2 per click. Track everything with UTM links. Blend both. Free builds trust, paid gets leads fast. Want specifics on ad copy?
No, not right now. Okay, so that's all well. Now, with all of this in mind,
3 posts a day across 2 platforms. Custom captions, graphics, short videos, all from Blaze or Pretis, priced at $500 per client, month to month to start. Target 5 local businesses like cafes, gyms, salons who suck at social. Step 1. DM 10 owners on Instagram with a quick, I saw your page. Imagine 3 killer AI posts daily, tripling likes for 500 monthly. Free trial post? Attach a mockup you made in 5 minutes. Step 2. Post in local Facebook groups, helping small biz crush social. First post free. Step 3. Close 2 clients fast. Offer first month at 400 to hit 800. Then upsell a third post on LinkedIn for 200 more. Use Stripe for payments. Do the work yourself in Blaze's dashboard. Schedule via their tools. Boom. $1,000. Need help with the DM script?
nah, that's all good. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. I like Grok because it's real like strategic base. Okay, it's about strategy. If you just say, "Hey, I'm having a bad day," it'll create you a strategy to overcome that, right? As opposed to ChatGPT, which could be more conversational. It'll offer empathy and be like, "Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's bothering you?" Stuff like that, right? And then there's Claude, who Claude is more objective, right? The downfall with many AI tools is that I say that they are almost enablers. Like there's a tool out there called Pi AI, and a lot of people are using it for therapy. And there's a whole thing about AI and therapy because there's no judgment, right? However, just like therapists in real life, if you ever gone to therapy, a lot of people have this take that therapists are, although it's great, right? I'm not negating therapy, right? A lot of therapists are enablers, right? unintentionally. But AI is operates off the same model, right? They are enablers, right? Like not many times it will like tell you that you're wrong or not to do something or whatever the case is, right? One time I even tested it just to see something, right? I was like, hey, I want to start a business where I go to the zoo and I buy giraffes and I sell them to dentist offices just to see if it'll be like, yeah, that's a great idea, right? um, because that's what it was getting. It was just agreeing with everything that I said, and no one likes yes man, right? And so Claude is more objective. Claude will, you give it a idea, it'll be like, actually, I don't think you should do that, right? You should do this instead. So operate within these different tools, and you will find once you operate in them, which one resonates with you the best. Just or operate within all of them, because once you know all of their capabilities, you know what the output is, and therefore, depending on what your input is, you can say, okay, I'm going to use Claude or I'm going to use Gemini because Gemini is going to do this or Chat GPT is going to do that. All right. Anyways, there you have it. Peace and love. See you guys in the next video.